everybody, this is Daria, I'm the artist who paints on clothes, and this is my new video, new dress and new shirt I'm going to create. In the previous video I turned Meghan Markle's amazing Oscar-deserved dress into the hand-painted shirt. If you haven't watched this video yet, check it out. And in this video I will turn to the shirt amazing dress of Zendaya Moschino Butterfly dress. She wore this dress to the Australian premiere of the movie The Greatest Showman, and the dress is amazing and she looks stunning in it. And I will try to create something close to the dress on this black shirt. I will paint a huge butterfly. I'm not sure in the result, but let's just see. Let's just begin to paint. Let's get started. And first I will sketch a wing on the shirt. I want to paint one wing, as I will try to create something close to the Zendaya dress. And I didn't create sketch on the paper, don't know why, maybe because these are not so hard, or maybe I'm too confident, we will see. The butterfly I will paint, it's a monarch butterfly. I love this butterfly, it's so beautiful, and I already painted it on the skirt, on the back of the skirt. You can find this video on my YouTube channel. It's kind of DIY video and it's easy to paint, so you can create such design too. I will need a lot of white paint and other colors because the wing is so big, but I hope it's worth it. Also, I want to create the background now, and I will use blue and purple colors for it. And now I will use yellow, red, orange, it's mix of red and yellow, and brown colors for the wing of the butterfly. Also, I have designed, I painted butterfly on the white shirt. You can also find this video on my YouTube channel. I love to paint butterflies, they look so beautiful on the clothes. And now I will paint the pattern of the butterfly wing. And you know guys, I don't like it. Don't know, it's kind of strange, the wing. I don't know, I don't like it. And so much paint, I don't know what to do. So as you guys can understand, it was a failure. I didn't like the one wing. And I'm trying to paint now two wings. I'm trying to save this short as I spent a lot of time and paint. Sometimes this happens, but I'm trying to change the situation and maybe at the end it will be something beautiful. So I'm trying now to change the shape of the wing and to create two wings from this one wing, and I will use this blue background to cover the wrong shape of the wing. So here it is, and I like it now. I think it's much more beautiful than it was before. And I added this background, to blue background, to change the shape of the wing. And I painted the second wing, and I think it will work now. So now I will paint pattern with black paint. And the white spots, of course. A bit more color to the background, and else I will splatter paint. And painting is finished. it was hard. It was a lot of time, a lot of paint, and I had even thought that maybe I shouldn't post this video at all. As you know, we live at a time when everybody has perfect lives, perfect videos, perfect photos on Instagram, and nobody shares this 1000 shots before this perfect shot, and nobody shows their failures. But maybe this video is not perfect, but it's real, because sometimes failures are happening and we shouldn't give up, and maybe we can turn this failure into the success, as I did. And I love this shirt. Write me your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, all the videos about painting on clothes you can find in the description below. And stay tuned, because I have one more idea about hand painted shirt inspired by the dress. And fashion is art. See you, bye bye.